Do you think there is casting couch which exists in the industry?
Obviously, there is. I mean, absolutely. There's no saying that there is no. As I said, मेरे content में लोग बोलते कि sober बन जाओ, but अंदर अंदर सबके अंदर रंजीत पल रहा है.
Like you mean to say men are targeted more?
ऐसे भी प्रोड्यूसर्स हमने देखे हैं, डायरेक्टर्स जो शादीशुदा है.
अच्छा.
एंड यू नो लाइक इफ दे गो अराउंड विद मोर विद वुमेन, तो उनकी बीवी को पता चलेगा, इसको पता चलेगा, उसको पता. सो दे टारगेट मेन कि लड़कों के साथ सो के इतना शक नहीं होगा. एंड दे ट्राई टू एक्ट वेरी स्ट्रेट.
आपको तो पक्का ऑफर आया होगा ना फ्रॉम मे बी अ पर्टिकुलर सुगर डैडी?
आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ DMs फ्रॉम लाइक वेरी वेल नोन celebrities,
okay,
from the film industry, like Star Kids and all of these.
How rampant is the use of drugs in the industry, parties specifically?
In many parties I've seen like people taking drugs openly.
Tushar Kapoor is your boyfriend.
Should I mention it? Because I've actually deleted the O from my name.
There was an O in your name before?
Yeah, it's Shurojit Shah, but like Google, Wikipedia, articles, everybody knows me as Surjit Shah.
And how do you pronounce it?
Surjit.
अब वैसा ही हो गया है ना?
अब सुरजीत ही हो गया है. So नमस्कार.
So
श्री अकाल. Shabba khair.
That's good night. That's like
bye.
That's
good night.
You can't say that, Avi.
Yeah,
so tell me something, is your audience accustomed to you, to seeing you in this nice avatar एकदम?
You mean like थोड़ा sober?
Sober, इतना प्यार से अपने नमस्ते किया है, ये आदत है उनको देखने का?
कभी कभी आदत है. कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि आपने thank God आपने कपड़े पहन लिए. Because if you go through my social media, it's a lot of thirst trap and a lot of things that जैसे बोलते हैं अश्लील लौंडे, वैसा कुछ होता है.
So वो क्यों करते हो आप? आपको खुद बहुत मजा आता है, ऑडियंस मांगता है, या you're just
I think audience मांगता है. But like there are two kind of mindset between audiences. कभी कभी ऐसे audience आते हैं कि बोलते कि आप कपड़े इतना कम क्यों पहनते हो? Why do you wear so less clothes and all? But why don't you make something more like, as you call, like decent?
Yeah.
But मैंने वैसे भी content बनाया. I'm a very artistic person. I can make a lot of content. But I have seen उसमें मक्खियाँ भी नहीं भिन बनाते. So like audience has this thing in their mind कि सामने वो लोग बोलेंगे कि हम लोग को और थोड़ा sober चाहिए, ऐसा चाहिए, वैसा चाहिए. But देखेंगे वो आपको वैसे ही. Because India is the most populated country.
Absolutely.
Sex सब कुछ हर कोई करता है.
एकदम.
छुप छुप के या ऐसी चीजें बोलेंगे अरे 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 अरे. But ऐसा नहीं है. सबको पसंद है देखना. बस कोई मतलब they don't express. Yeah, they're not very open about it.
Correct. So I'm sure you've got a lot of these hate comments on social media as well. Or is your audience too much in love with you?
I think the ones who follows me, like they are really in love with me. And even the random audience, see, I have like sometimes 20 million as my reach, organic reach.
Right.
उसमें मुझे जितने कमेंट्स आते हैं, आई थिंक लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फेस अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रोल्स, बट मुझे आई थिंक टच वुड लकीली मुझे ऐसा नहीं दिखता है कि लाइक दे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आउट ऑफ 100% ऐसा 90% आई वुड फील इट्स ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. Some 10% they would comment something that might strike you, but when it strikes me, I'm like,
what is the worst comment you have ever received? Something which is still there in your head, although I think ये सबको सीरियसली नहीं लेना चाहिए, बट फिर भी ऐसा कुछ जो अभी मैंने पूछा तो याद आ गया होगा.
I think somebody commenting on my family, like like suppose I've posted something with my mother, and then some comment coming as in like the kind of attire my mother would wear. like हम लोग के इंडिया में या बहुत सारी जगहों में ऐसा एक सोच है कि moms has to be like wearing a sari,
a certain way, dressed in like who made that. Yeah, exactly.
एक image होता है कि especially इंडिया में मैंने ये notice किया है, but I think west में भी होता होगा. But so suppose my mother doesn't wear sari for the last I think 15 years or 10 years I guess, and certain way they have to dress, or they can't go to parties or clubs with you. So usme agar koi like I would not want to mention what it was mentioned, but it was a very nasty comment passed by somebody, some stranger, some person who didn't have a profile picture or, you know, like a display, who couldn't even show his face or her face. So that I felt like it was stuck. I was like, dude, this is like too much. But then it really doesn't bother.
So you've born and brought up in Kolkata, and then you've shifted to Bombay over the last, I think, 7, 8, 10 years now, almost 10 years.
Yeah.
So what do you think is the difference in these two cities, like the primary difference in these two cities?
I think Mumbai, as everybody says, I think it is a more safe city. It is a more mind your own business city. Like, आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप क्या पहने हो, क्या खाते हो. People are really not bothered what you're doing. Like, especially I have faced this in Calcutta. Like, I was there in Calcutta for a year during the second lockdown of COVID. And I remember I was coming back from my gym, like it was just a walking distance, and I was wearing shorts, and some two guys on you know, like on a bike, and they just actually Eve teased me saying that, you know, like अरे इतने भी कपड़े पहनने की क्या जरूरत है, उतार दे. So I was like, in Mumbai, I think girls, guys, whoever wears anything and all, I think you don't have to face a lot of, you know, like teasing on the streets, or, you know, if you're traveling in public transport, a lot of women, a lot of men even might face a lot of, you know, sort of sexual, physical assault, or some way somebody's trying to hit on you or something, you know, anything obnoxious. But वो एक डिफरेंस लगता है. कैलकटा में मुझे, आई शुड नॉट से मैं कैलकटा से ही हूँ, बट मुझे लगता है कैलकटा में पीपल आर अ लिटिल मोर लाइक चिल्ड आउट एंड अ लिटिल लेड बैक. मुंबई में इट्स मोर लाइक फास्ट एंड प्रोफेशनल. कैलकटा में दे ड्रीम अ लॉट कि ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, ये करेंगे. बट मुंबई में वो ड्रीम भी करते, बट वो करते भी है. सो या, दैट्स द टू डिफरेंस. अदरवाइज आई थिंक I love Calcutta, but I love Calcutta vibes. Sometimes when you want to be like chilled out, slow, sona chahte ho, then Calcutta mein jaake rest lo. But jab, you know, you want to be charged up, then come to Mumbai.
Awesome. Yeah, I think that was a very nice point of reference that you gave for both the cities, and I kind of agree with that. Yeah. So when did you decide that you want to be a part of this entertainment industry, do content, do television? Was it something that was luck by chance, or was it something that was prepared well in advance?
It was never like prepared, because like my family has no like connections with the industry. It was as every actor would say that, you know, उन्होंने बचपन से सोचा था. मैंने कभी बचपन से सोचा ही नहीं था. I was confused. मुझे पता ही नहीं था मैं क्या करूं. हर चीज में confusion ही रहता था. And I feel we can never plan life. You know, आप plan, you know, they always say plan your life, work hard. You work hard, you plan appropriately, but वही होगा which is destined for you. You know, एक कहावत भी है, you know, समय से पहले वक्त के साथ. I'm very
समय से पहले, वक्त से पहले और समय से something.
Yeah, वक्त से पहले और
actually वक्त से पहले और किस्मत से ज्यादा ना आज तक किसी को मिला है ना मिलेगा.
Exactly. So I always feel you work hard, you do everything that you want to do, but वो आपको तभी होगा अगर if you're destined to it. तो मुझे लगता था I was destined to it. So that's why when I met you, I guess I was in school and I was confused what to do. मैंने fashion designing में भी diploma किया था, and I came to Mumbai with the, you know, like intention of getting a job. I got a job.
Okay.
I did a, you know, Skype call किया था, job मिल गया था, internship period था, तो मैं direct मुंबई आ गया था. I was working for a brand called Jack and Jones as a visual merchandiser. तो वहां पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने स्पॉट किया, एंड आई वाज अ वेरी शाई पर्सन. मतलब लिटरली जैसे, यू नो, आई वाज इवन लाइक शेम्ड दैट, यू नो, ये कितना काला है, डस्की है. फैमिली में होता था. यू नो, आई हैड अ ब्रदर, दे वुड ऑलवेज कंपेयर, रिलेटिव्स वुड कम, एंड बंगालीज ऑलवेज हैव अ सर्टेन वे ऑफ ब्यूटी, लाइक, यू नो, लाइक थोड़ा बहुत खाता पीता होना चाहिए, गोल सा चेहरा होना चाहिए. एंड आई हैड अ वेरी वियर्ड फेस अकॉर्डिंग टू देम.
Okay.
Now, you know, like, now you can't shame anything. So I had a jawline and everything. So I was always told that I was very ugly. But then when I grew up and when I started the job, and then, you know, people started saying that you have a great face. And I was like, really? So, and then they said you should be in front of camera, because, you know, the store I used to work in, there were a lot of directors and actors. I've seen Alia Bhatt come up, and like my manager, my work was back office because it was visual merchandising.
Achha.
But my manager used to say that you have a very great appearance. You should be on store क्योंकि आप जब store पे जाते हो sale बढ़ जाता है. So when I used to go, like I used to interact with Alia Bhatt, ये वो सब आ जाते थे तभी. तो उनसे बात, I remember Alia asking for a denim and I was like, I have no clue, but I'm just like hosting you. तो वैसे ही शुरू हुआ. किसी ने मुझे बोला कि ये मेल IDs है, आप अपने पिक्चर्स भेज दो. And I mailed my pictures. The producer and director of Hats of Production, if you know, they have made shows like Khichdi and Sarabhai vs. Sarabhai.
Right.
उन्होंने direct मेरे को message किया था. मैसेज करके बोला कि we are having this audition and it's almost the cast is locked, but I would want you to come to our office and audition for something. And I auditioned and then they said, because it was a show for Sony Sub TV, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आपका चेहरा ना बहुत exotic है. हम लोग हमारा वो है, there was a दौड़ जिसको बोलते हैं, that they would take only character roles, like जैसे आप जेठालाल को देख लो या ऐसे टाइप के लोग, बट एग्जॉटिक वाले एकदम गुड लुकिंग वाले लोग या उनके लिए कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं होता था. इनको कहाँ फिट बिठाए. So they said that you look very exotic, so we'll think of you something. तो शो शुरू हुआ. उसके बाद 4-5 महीने बाद they called me for a role which he wrote personally for me. So I did it and then it started. And
right, that's how you got your first break.
And then I started getting calls from other shows and all of that. Yeah.
So since you've been part of the industry directly, do you think there is casting couch which exists in the industry, and have you faced it?
Obviously there is. I mean, absolutely. There's no saying that there is no. As I said, मेरे content में लोग बोलते कि sober बन जाओ, but अंदर सबके अंदर रंजीत पल रहा है. Something like that. So there is her industry में it's not only
and for all genders, like men, women, third genders,
and men mostly होते हैं क्योंकि
like you mean to say men are targeted more?
Yeah, because क्या होता है कि कभी-कभी ऐसे भी producers हमने देखे हैं, directors जो शादीशुदा है, and like if they go around with more with women, तो उनकी बीवी को पता चलेगा, इसको पता चलेगा, उसको पता, so they target men कि लड़कों के साथ सो के इतना शक नहीं होगा, and they try to act very straight. So industry में तो definitely है, and I think men faces more because a women can do a Me Too movement, but मुझे लगता है कि when you go, actually men get shy कि बोले कि मेरे इज्जत पे आँच आई है, because they would feel like like I'm there have been actually cases where some guy of like 17-18-year-old getting raped in Delhi, and he was even shy to even go to a police station to file a report.
Yeah, because I think men, like people who identify as men, I think they are conditioned to think that they can't cry, that they are strong, they can't complain. So I think that triggers, and that's why they can't come and say ki mere
they feel like men, how can somebody rape a man? Even women can rape you. Like literally, I was at a party and some channel creative was literally bit me on my cheek. And if I say that, literally I had marks on my cheek. She found me so cute. But do you think it's cute? It's not a cute act, right? If
and it was non-consensual for you.
Yeah, definitely. I would not enjoy some woman biting me like a dog or a bitch and literally biting my cheek, and the next morning I get marks on my cheek. How can it be consensual? I was definitely not enjoying it. But if a man would have done that for a woman, it would have been like, what? Rape.
News all over.
Almost rape, right? But so that's what happens. Like sometimes, getting back to your question, like men suffer more than women when the industry targets you, like for casting couch and all of that.
So have you ever faced it?
Many, yeah. Every day you would get messages, like even they have these agents, like you have casting people, you have coordinators. So the producer sometimes might not approach you directly, and they would send my picture, because now I'm very famous on social media. They would send it to some, casting person or coordinator, and they say, can you get in touch with this person and ask for favors?
Okay.
Like that.
So is it like a given that even suppose, you agree to that, you'll get work?
No, not really. Most of the time, no. Because, like the moment they approach you sexually, they are only seeing you as a piece of meat.
Right.
They're not seeing you like, oh, इसमें ये talent है, उसमें वो talent है. So when somebody says casting, अगर मुझे कोई direct बोलता है, I'm very moved. I said कि काम क्या दोगे? How would I benefit? पैसे दे दो. अगर इतना भी है तो मेरे को 20 लाख 30 लाख दे दो, चलो. मेरे को कोई वैसा नहीं है. I'm very direct about it कि अगर चलो काम दो, मेरा शो चले, उसके बाद सोऊंगा अगर सोना है. यार खाली पीली ढिंडोरा मत पीछो. जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर टॉम डिक, सम बिग टॉम डिक एंड हैरी, आपका नेम नहीं बिकेगा. ना तो आप मेरे बिल्स पे करते हो, ना तो आप मेरा घर चलाते हो. तो पहले करो, काम दो, प्रूफ करो, फिर मैं आता हूँ.
तो उसमें उनका क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहता है?
उनका, that's why they say that he's like
bold and brazen,
outrageous. Because a lot of times I've had fights on TV sets also, like that. Like I can be like a little rude or very blunt on your face, so that can disturb a lot of people.
Right? So you've worked on TV. So how stressful is the environment? Because we've heard that it's long hours of work.
Yeah, it is. And I'm like, I feel like I'm a Bengali within soul. So whenever I'm working, I think like even the last show I did, it was Star Plus, I guess. तो मुझे लगा कि like continuous अगर महीने में मैं 20 दिन भी शूट कर रहा हूँ, मैं अरे यार इससे अच्छा कम दिन शूट करो, मेरे को कम पैसे भी चलेगा. But I want to like rest. So it is very stressful. लोगों को लगता है यार बस मेकअप लगा के, ये लगा के. अगर आपके ऐसे सीन्स है जैसे शादियों वाले सीन्स होते हैं बहुत सारे टेलीविजन पे, तो उसके लिए ऐसा होता है ना कि कभी कभी आप सोचते हो कि यार कर क्या रहे, ये तो ऐसे कपड़े वपड़े पहन के खड़े हैं, खा रहे, पी रहे. बट you're standing there for 12 hours. अगर दूल्हा दुल्हन है, आपके डायलॉग्स भी नहीं है, वहाँ पे आप खड़े हो, बस खड़े हो और शेरवानी पहन के, मेकअप पहन के और ऐसे हंसना है. बट एक्चुअली you're not feeling like
yeah.
So yeah, it is stressful a lot.
So you mentioned about paying bills. So you're someone who's not from this city. Okay. How costly is it living in Bombay if you want to maintain a decent lifestyle, or for example your lifestyle? How much do you spend in a month on yourself or in your family if you do?
In Mumbai, I think the most costly part is like the property. Like suppose even if you're planning to buy a property or rent a property, that's more expensive than any other city. And the conveyance, if you're traveling, that is expensive. But otherwise, I think Bombay is like any other city. You have expensive options. You also have like affordable options.
Right.
So मुझे ये दो चीजें लगता है. हाँ, living in Mumbai is definitely expensive because of
these two factors.
Yeah, rent.
How much like आपका कितना महीने का खर्चा होता है?
It would definitely go up to like I think 1 lakh.
On like everything combined?
Yeah, like if somebody is like depending on your lifestyle, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
So if you're there are people traveling in trains also, or there are people who are not eating as exotic things that you want to eat, or even living in an exotic apartment. If you're renting it, then any apartment would cost you around 40 to 50
minimum, a decent one.
Yeah, in a decent complex. Or so yeah, as 80-90 to kisi ka bhi pakad lo if you're living with a family and all of that.
So what is your family's take on the videos that you do? Do they see your videos? Do they like, share and comment?
Sometimes my mom does, but my mom is very supportive. My dad is not very much into social media, but my mom is into. In fact, she's more like supportive than sometimes I feel very shy watching my video after like a week or two. It's like मैंने ये post कर दिया था यार. So, but my mom is like half of the time she doesn't understand the jokes.
Right,
because she's a little old school.
Yeah, generation gap.
She can dress very modern, but then she's again that Calcutta lady who is a little old school. So we have a generation gap, but otherwise they're cool with it. They're cool with everything, literally. I have the coolest parents, I guess.
That's a great thing. Again.
Yeah.
So how real are the couples of the industry? And it can be any couple. Girl, boy, boy, girl.
Yeah. But मुझे
आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल या आपके वर्क सर्कल का बताओ.
मुझे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम लगता है कि एवरीबडी डज इट, नॉट ओनली फॉर बॉल, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट द हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, बॉलीवुड, और nowadays you don't call it Bollywood, I guess. So,
it's like a sin to call it Bollywood.
Yeah. So I guess it's the Hindi film industry. I think Hindi film industry, TV industry बोल लो, और for sake अभी influencers के भी होते हैं pairing and coupling, so that they get that. So I feel it's most of the time it's very fake. They would call you up, or they would see the intentions. Like अगर मैं इसके साथ collaborate किया, I'm saying about every field,
right.
Film, TV, social media. So they would feel अगर मैं इसके साथ collaborate किया as a couple, or if we are seen around, then we can monetize it, or in a different way we can get a lot of advantages and profits out of it. So most of the couples I've seen are like fake. Now I don't want to name them, but literally if you actually sit and think about it, it is just a business planning. कि मैं ये करूंगी या करूंगा, एंड देन यहाँ जाऊंगा, एंड उसके बाद ये करूंगा. रियल पीपल आर एक्चुअली नॉट इन, लाइक उतना दिखते नहीं है जिनका रियल, अगर आपको लगता है कि प्यारे. फॉर सेक आई थिंक अमृता राव, she got married to an RJ. I think she's very real. क्योंकि now you did this. Why? Because
सोचना पड़ा मेरे को.
हाँ, correct. Because जो ज्यादा दिखते हैं ना, वही ज्यादा बिकते हैं, और वही फेक होते हैं सबसे ज्यादा.
कभी आपको करने का जरूरत पड़ा ऐसा?
मुझे ऑफर्स आए हैं कि let's fake it, but I can't fake it. That is how. It's like an orgasm. Like sometimes people can fake it, but I can't fake an orgasm. कि मुझे नहीं feel हो रहा है, but फिर भी मैं कर रहा हूँ due to some reasons, so I can't fake it.
And what is your relationship status?
It's very confusing, and I keep it that way because I'm always.
Are you in love?
I fall in love occasionally and every day in a new way.
Okay.
Like maybe एक महीना
with the same person or with multiple people?
Sometimes multiple. Sometimes the way they approach you.
Right.
And then you feel like, oh yeah, this person can be my lover.
Okay.
So वैसा होता है, multiple ऐसा होता है. But I'm a very romantic person, and I'm very emotional person. That I do agree.
So you have not found anybody whom you can call maybe is like my soulmate?
Yeah, I did find.
You did? And that did not work out?
That is there in my life.
So that is the confusing part which you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like the famous actor that we keep seeing?
बहुत सारे parts होते हैं. एक होता है your mental connection, एक होता है your physical needs and connection.
Correct.
And then एक होता है कि एक
companionship, understanding, respect and all of that.
So I think I've been very lucky. मेरे life में बहुत सारे options आते हैं, तो there are so एक connection होता है जिसमें मैं एकदम mentally, emotionally all that connection हो जाता है. एक में फिर मुझे अगर लगता है कि physical connection की जरूरत है, तो उसमें मैं सोचता हूँ कि options है, ढूंढता हूँ.
अच्छा.
And third वाले में तो it's always you have somebody who is connected with you, soul connect जब बोलते हो, तो वही companionship तो उनमें मिल ही जाता है.
तो जब suppose soul connection मिल जाता है, जिससे आप जब दिल से आता है कि okay, he is the one,
or she is the one,
or they are the one, तब कभी लगता है कि mental भी ढूंढने जाओ या physical ढूंढने जाओ, लगना चाहिए या तब नहीं?
I don't make rules, because it is always on two equations. Like if I'm feeling a certain way, physically satisfied with the other person also, but the other person might
not, correct.
Right? So if you're not getting action, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then you would try to, like, आप बाहर मुंह मारने जाओगे ना, because of as I said, it's always like 3 compartments of relationships, sides you see. So mental satisfaction एक होता है, physical satisfaction. तो अगर दूसरे partner आपको उतना वो नहीं कर रहे, and sometimes it's in today's time they even discuss it, that if the physical part you're not satisfied, then there's so many even couples including another man, like a man and a woman, and they include another man
to spice things up,
or another woman to spice things up, and they are okay with that, so they do. So
basically just whatever floats your boat, whatever makes you happy at
for
the
me,
end of
I
the
think, for me, it is always, I go with the situation and the feeling that I get at that point of time. I don't make hard and fast rules, because hard and fast rules, you can never, abide by that. You have to, sometimes you do break your own rules, कि मैंने तो ये नहीं बोला था और मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. तो ऐसा बोलना कि ये एकदम गलत है, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, nothing is wrong.
What's
according
been
to
your
me.
biggest relationship in terms of years or months?
Years. I think my relationship status, that's how I say that, I always feel there is some continuity with somebody that, you would always,
Go back to.
yeah.
Right.
So those relationships, I think, like, I can say for 10 years, from the time I've come to Mumbai, and it's there. Sometimes, relationship is not about like sleeping around with somebody or living together or something, but it's just that you can share your darkest inner secrets, and you can just be yourself and share your problems, the real problems, with that person, and that is a relationship. Physical तो यार हम लोग करके भी कर सकते हैं, है ना? तो फिजिकल नीड्स वो तो रिलेशनशिप में आई थिंक गिनना ही नहीं चाहिए. रिलेशनशिप इज अ टोटल डिफरेंट थिंग. दैट इज व्हाट आई फील कि मेरा लॉन्गेस्ट हुआ है, आई थिंक, from the time I've come to Mumbai.
Right.
9 years, 10 years.
So there's
But I maintain it a secret. I don't reveal my things, as I said, that I
Right.
don't fake it. So
correct. So that means उसमें कुछ बात है then. That holds weight.
yeah.
So we often see you with a very famous actor from the Hindi film industry. So what does he mean to you? Is he a friend to you, or
Do you want to name? I go around with a lot of famous male actors, female actors also.
जो सबसे ज्यादा दिखते हैं वो तुषार कपूर दिखते हैं आपके feed में.
Yeah, Tushar is a very good friend of mine. And
that's it. Just friend.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of because there's a lot of speculation online also. Then people, I see my comment section and all of that. People are seeing each other or something.
सबसे ज्यादा आपके साथ किसको लोग शिप करते हैं?
Sorry.
Like किसके साथ सबसे ज्यादा आपको लिंक करते हैं?
लिंक करते हैं आई थिंक तुषार के साथ, बिकॉज तुषार के साथ ज्यादा पिक्चर्स है और वीडियोस है. बट देन पीपल ट्राई टू लिंक मी विद एवरीथिंग. इन टुडेज टाइम दे वुड इवन लिंक मी विद माय मदर इफ दे डोंट गेट टू नो मी, गेट टू नो दैट दैट्स माय मदर.
Yeah.
Because and I also humor it up. If I have a lot of friends who are much elder to me. Okay. Now, because there is a reason, because I'm much more matured mentally with my, compared to my age. So I hang around with a little more elder people in my life.
Right.
But then people started making it as other, terminology, what do you call it? Like using other terms and saying it as daddies or
sugar daddies
and all of that. So I started making humor it up. Like, अगर आप बोल रहे हो, आप अगर सोच रहे हो, तो यार सोच तो कभी किसी की बदल नहीं सकते. उसको बोल दो कि ठीक है चलो सारे शुगर डैडीज ही है. अब क्या करें?
आपको तो पक्का ऑफर आया होगा ना, from maybe a particular sugar daddy, that I would want to go around.
Many. I get official mails also.
Like a collaboration.
Like a collaboration that I'm looking for a companion for an international trip. Every expenses would be taken care of. Along with your remuneration, do mention what is your remuneration, just to be a companion. Now that can't be like
obviously, like that goes without saying. So आपने कभी उस पे हाँ किया? Have you been?
No यार, तो मैं पूरा वर्ल्ड टूर कर लेता. अगर ऐसा करता तो मैं अभी LA में बैठा होता, इधर बैठा होता, तो वैसा होता. I think there are certain things that I draw line, and I feel like if I feel, as I said, I go with my feelings. Like if I don't feel right about it, then I don't do it.
How rampant is the use of drugs in the industry, parties specifically?
I think that, sorry guys.
You can take your time. कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
I think like I have seen. Should I mention it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
I think in many parties I've seen like people taking drugs openly, but I feel that some people do it just because with the peer pressure.
Right. Yes.
ये भी कर रहे हैं, वो भी कर रहे हैं, and that is like a status symbol. And but yeah, there is a lot of usage of drugs that I have witnessed in front of my eyes.
So there's this entire thought that that this industry, this entertainment industry, is the sole consumer of drugs, which is absolutely bullshit. Everybody almost consumes it. It's just that this is in the limelight, so perhaps इसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा दिखता है या सुनने में आता है. In reality, do you think this industry, compared to the other industries, uses or consumes drugs a little more than the others? Or again, it's just a myth?
No, I don't think so. It's just a myth because I think they just have to target people who are visible.
Correct.
So,
I agree.
see, if you target somebody, some Tom, Dick and Harry who's like, koi corporate mein kaam karta hai. Like I heard this news, somebody targeting some celebrity kid as in like taking ganja and all.
Mm-hmm.
यार you go to some IT sector और
exactly,
उनके आप बाहर जाके आप देखोगे सब गांजा फूक रहे. So, but you're targeting these people just because saying that
they're visible.
They're visible. Correct. And they are famous.
And आपको मसाला मिल जाता है ना. So
exactly.
What is the strongest challenge or the biggest challenge that you had to face till date in your career?
In my career, I think my career has been very smooth and everything ऐसे इससे ये हुआ उससे हुआ उससे. So like I remember somebody saying that how come you have these she was a she was a gym buddy and she asked me a few years back saying that how come you have all these like contacts. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. I've been trying hard to get contacts and all of that. तो तुमको ऐसे contacts कहाँ से मिल जाते हैं? So I feel, as I mentioned earlier, like it's all in your like destiny or what you attract. I think the universe always comes for that. So I feel मुझे कभी भी ऐसा difficulty तो कुछ नहीं आया.
It's great.
And I started concentrating on social media since like I think mostly 2019. तो 2019 से अब तक भी that has been a very like smooth road. I think like वो भी मेरा conscious decision नहीं था
कि चलो अब start करते,
चलो अभी social media करते, ये बहुत अभी happening है. It was also like just a flow. And I went with it, and it like literally today I'm here and talking to you. Also.
Yeah, absolutely. So, as per our sources, that you've also worked in certain Pakistani projects as well. So you've worked in Indian projects and Pakistani projects.
No, I was supposed to work, but then there was a problem in between with Pakistani actors and artists who were working here.
Yes.
And there. So I was supposed to fly there and work for a project, but it somehow there was a lot of problem during those days, and I've heard a lot of, I don't know whether it's a myth or reality, but when you get a stamp of Pakistan, entrance in Pakistan on an Indian passport, then you get a lot of issues when you're applying for other country visas.
This is something which I have heard as well. I don't know the authenticity of this, but this is something which I have been told too.
But I've been like, I've always loved even, the Pakistani people.
Dramas,
and those Pakistani dramas.
Amazing.
So that's how I wanted to
Amazing.
work. And then somehow, I did get in touch with few creatives and, like people from there. So, yeah. But
is there something that you would want to share with your social media audience that they don't know yet? Maybe a secret of yours or that you have not revealed to them?
This podcast.
That was a very diplomatic answer. ये तो उनको पता ही चल जाएगा. But कुछ एक ऐसा चीज, the Surjit behind the scenes. ऐसा कुछ.
Behind the scenes. I need some time to think about it then.
We have a lot of time on our hands. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है और ऐसा कुछ आप बताना नहीं चाहते, हो ही सकता है, then it's okay.
I'm very open about things. As I what I'm discussing is just me. There is no hidden faces, no hidden secrets. Most of the time, that's how I think people always say that you're just so open about it. There's so many things that people put an image of. Like right. When because I've worked with TV actors, I've met film industry people also, and I've also worked with influencers. So even they find it a little like at times, it's on the face, and they say that especially when I used to work for TV, and even last year when I was doing a Star Plus show for Rajjo, and then my co-actors started saying that कुछ लोगों ने पहले ही सबको आके एक दूसरे को follow किया था, उसके बाद बोला कुछ लोगों ने unfollow किया. I said, why did you unfollow? So then they started saying that यार तुम्हारा content ना like बहुत on the face होता है, कभी-कभी तुम बहुत blunt चीजें बोल जाते हो. So that is how. Like I don't hide much of things unless and until
So what is like you said, you've got everything without asking. It's been very smooth road for you so far. So what is your way of still asking something from God or universe?
I think manifestation. I manifest all the good things.
What is your way of manifestation?
Early in the morning, wake up with a very positive mind. Just manifest what you want to. Like on a general, you can do it on a general thing that God, happiness, good wealth, good health, everything. In that way, I just manifest, and only good things comes to me. That's how I.
So do you just think it, or do you write it, or do you follow?
I don't write it, but I think it. I'm not a very spiritual person. Also, मैं मंदिर कहीं नहीं जाता हूँ. It is. I always believe आप अच्छे काम करो. If you do good deeds, it always comes back. It's always a karma. I believe in. मुझे लगता है कि आपके कॉन्शियस में लगा कि अरे यार मैंने तो अच्छा ही किया, फिर मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ. So I always feel कि अच्छा अगर करते हो वो अच्छा आता ही है आपके पास. It would always come to you, and that's only one thing I believe. Manifestation is also like that. You manifest, but with a pure intention. आप लाइफ में ऐसे कमीनेपंती चूतियापंती कर रहे हो, बट आप बोलो कि अरे यार मेरे साथ कैसे हो गया, तो कर रहा है ना चूतियापंती, तभी होता है ना आपके साथ ये सब.
Any celebrity encounter which was very memorable to you or which was very bad to you? Either ways.
I think a lot of people. Okay, coming back to my secret, you said that like I get a lot of DMs from like very well-known, celebrities.
Okay.
From the film industry, like star kids and all of these. They would appreciate you, but they would stalk me, but they would never, follow publicly. And they would, and then I would ask that why are you like doing it in a like so secretive way. They would like सामने से नहीं कर सकते ऐसे, ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. So yeah, I can't name somebody that I met through my social media content only. This person was like Gaga, and this like some very famous star kid I would not want to mention. As I said that, a lot of people assume a lot of things just because I post pictures, and they, random people would try to connect me with everyone and everything. If I post a picture with my dad, that also becomes like a sugar daddy for other people.
That's sick, yeah.
It's always like that. But yeah, when I met that star kid, I was actually like, like a little starstruck. I was like, oh, finally. I actually thought it's not real because that person was stalking me from a fake account. But I literally met this person, and then I believed.
And he said that, yes, I am the same.
That can be a he or a she.
Okay.
I never mentioned gender. If you pay attention.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Surjit. Now we'll have these questions, okay? It's the straight or the twisted section, which goes by the name of our show. Straight means whatever sentence is right. Okay, there is no twist to it, and twisted, as the word suggests.
Okay, straight is like true.
Yes.
And twisted is like false.
False, या कुछ मिर्च मसाला होगा, या extra तड़का है, या कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Okay.
So, are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
We have about 10-12 questions for you.
Oh.
Okay. First one you've answered, but we'll still start. Does the casting couch exist in the industry?
Straight, very straight.
Oh, sorry. I was reading the wrong set of questions. My bad. Okay. Okay. Are you ready now?
Absolutely.
Successful male actors need to physically satisfy directors or producers.
Straight.
Looks do matter in Bollywood.
Straight.
Tried surgery to look good.
Like me or
yes,
gender?
You.
Twisted.
Bollywood couples, everyone's fake from the top to the bottom.
Bollywood
couples, everybody is fake from the top to the bottom.
It's mostly in between. I can't like say straight or twisted, because some can be real, some can be so.
So it's twisted, basically.
Yeah, twisted.
It cannot be straight.
Yeah.
Okay. Sex chatting with strangers is fine.
Straight.
Tushar Kapoor is your boyfriend.
Twisted.
Okay. Thank you so much, Surjit, for being an awesome sport and giving us some real good
Crazy
answers, you know, being so bold, being so brazen, being so honest, you know.
Which I am in real life.
It's not every day that, you know, we talk to somebody who's so open about things, you know. So it really means, and we really appreciate that. Thank you so much for coming to Twisted
Thank
Truths.
you so much for calling.
It's been a pleasure, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Joydeep.